Bun bun Easter bun, bun bun and Easter bun, bun bun and Easter bun, and that's my lovely dear. They are with me baby, you know this straight up. Violator get a head bust like cake cut. Love you baby. What did them? What's good YouTube? I don't know your girl. I like the brightest so my lovely dear. So we're doing some shopping. I know it's been a minute since we've done a vlog, but we've been super busy, but bear with us guys. We have a whole lot to update you guys on. But nevertheless, we are here in our colors and our numbers. So yes, so I'm going to show you what we have in the trolley so far, and then we keep it moving from there. All right. Okay, guys. So this is what we have in the trolley so far. You know, a little hollow water, some puppy stuff. We have our sugar, corn flakes, lady business, alcohol, and our tissue. And right up there we have the bag. So that's the snack aisle right there. We're going to get some more stuff, so let's go. That's my lovely dear and my next lovely dear, and they are picking up some more stuff to put in the basket, and that's Mishka there. So we'll catch up with you guys again.
Few moments later.
Move, you look where you feel about sure.
Sardine? Oh, sardine. Which one? Yes, guys. Which one? Pepper? Yes, guys. So now we're in the whole food aisles where you have your vegetables and stuff, and some of them price. Yeah. Look at this. For just 2 apples, I can't do it. Not at all. I'm gonna scroll my trolley right along.
One eternity later.
Yes, guys. So take a look back in the trolley again. We're getting here with the rest of the stuff. If you've noticed, we've added some snacks and a little sardine and stuff. But we are getting there. So as we say, we'll give you guys some more action when we can, or we'll see you guys later. Heading out. But you took up on early, Never miss. Never miss. Great neck ball of it, baby. And guys, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that, guys. Bun bun Easter bun, bun bun and Easter bun, bun bun and Easter bun, and that's my lovely dear. Come in, bun bun and Easter bun, bun bun and Easter bun, bun bun and Easter bun, Easter bun and Easter bun. Yes, guys, bun bun and more bun. I would recommend anybody to buy the bun that's outside the package, because if you don't do that, you're buying the box, right? Remember the reason for the Easter season. Give God thanks and just change your life and clean up what you need to clean up and fix up what you ought to fix up. So we're going to head to the cashier. This is what we have. We don't need anything else, so we're soon forward.
5 minutes later.
So these are the stuff that we have when it's outside of the trolley. Yep, soon come. Guys, this is the total. Look at the one bag, and you just saw the total right there. Food is so expensive in Jamaica, cannot do it, but bye for now, soon forward again.
A few minutes later.
Alright guys, so we finished doing our little shopping, and this is the end of this vlog. We have already showed you what we have, so we don't need to do an unpacking showing you guys, because it's the same thing. So peace until next time. Remember, in everything you do, put God at the forefront of everything. Have a relationship with God and just be with Him in prayer, worship, whatever it is, and just be real with Him and let Him know what's going on with you. Alright, love. Bye.